Hello, good morning, my dear students. I am Dr. Deepak More, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Sanjini Mahavidyalaya, Sapoli. Today, we are going to study about the poetry section. Name of our poem is This Dog, written by Indian poet named Rabindranath Tagore. Then, background of the poet. Rabindranath Tagore, he was born in 1861 and he was dead in 1941. He is honored by titles such as Gurudev, Kabi Guru, and Biswa Kabi. Gurudev, Kabi Guru, and Biswa Kabi. These are the titles, and these titles are honored by him. He was a person of wide learning and knowledge who had expertise in many fields like music, like literature, like painting, like philosophy, and religion. In 1913, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature for his renowned collection of poems named Gitanjali. Gitanjali is a masterpiece work of art of Rabindranath Tagore. Tagore began writing poetry when he was 8 years old and he was published his first collection of poems at the age of 16. There are about 50 collections of poems written by him in Bengali, along with numerous novels, short stories, and philosophical writings. Many of these have been translated into English by Tagore himself. He was invented by the Western nations for lectures on topics related to art, philosophy, and even religion. He was a humanist and supported independence from Britain. He introduced new styles of prose and verse and promoted the use of colloquial language in Bengali literature. He founded the Vishwabharati University in West Bengal and introduced his own system of education. Many of his songs have been set to music by himself. Notable among these are the national anthems of India and Bangladesh. Our national anthem is to be Janagana Mana La Nayak Jai Hai. That is the national anthem of India and it was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Then the introduction of the poem This Dog, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Common animals like dogs, like cats, like horses, like birds, like fish, like snakes, and even like mice, etc., are the subject of many famous poems. Thomas Gray's Ode on the Death of a Favorite Cat and William Blake's Tiger are famous examples of this type or of this kind of poem also. The poet looks at many animals and sees them as metaphors for human beings. Rabindranath Tagore's This Dog is a poem originally written in Bengali language, and it was transcreated by Kumud Biswas. It is a 14-line poem in Tagore's collection Arogya. It was composed in 1940. It has universal appeal and charm. It was written in the later years of Tagore's life. During the final years of his life, Tagore used to take breakfast at Shantiniketan every morning, sitting in the veranda. That is space. This poem is based on the experience he had every day when a stray dog used to come to him and sit very patiently at his feet. He is a good, it is a good friend of Rabindranath Tagore. This dog shared Tagore's breakfast, which consisted of a few slices of bread and a cup of tea. The dog did not touch the bread it was if it was not buttered. It is very piteous condition. Tagore and his dog became great friends. If the dog was not present for the breakfast, Tagore asked his attendants to search the dog and bring the dog to him. Then, about the text of the poem, This Dog. When I am reading the text of the poem also, look at the book, This Dog, or look at the on the picture also, or on PPT also. This dog, the text of the poem. In this poem having three stanzas, and in the first stanza, the poet addresses to the audience that every morning this dog, very attached to me, quietly keeps sitting near my seat till touching its head, I recognize its company. This recognition gives it so much joy, pure delight ripples through its entire body. Among all dumb creatures means animals, and delight ripples, pure delight ripples through its entire body means pleasure spread like waves. And among all dumb creatures means animals, it is the only living being that has seen the whole man beyond what is good or bad in him. It has seen. It has seen to the poet. In the first line of the poem, the poet addresses to the audience that the poet, that is the Rabindranath Tagore, addresses that this dog is a poem originally written in Bengali and it was transcreated by Kumud Biswas. It was written in the later years of Tagore's life. During the final years of his life, Tagore used to take breakfast at Shantiniketan every morning when he was sitting in the veranda, veranda of the Shantiniketan also. That is the open space of the Shantiniketan. The poem is based on the experience he had every day when a stray dog used to come to him and sit very patiently at his feet. He was, this dog, the dog is a very intimate friend of the poet. The dog shared Tagore's breakfast, which consisted of a few slices of bread and a cup of tea. The dog did not touch the bread if it was not buttered. Tagore and this dog became great friends. If the dog was not present for the breakfast, Tagore asked his attendants to search and bring the dog to him. Then, in another line of the poem, the poet suggests us that the poem opens with the description of an everyday activity when the poet and a dog sit together and the dog wants the speaker to touch its head. When the poet touches the dog, it becomes happy because the speaker has given recognition to its company. The dog is described to be very attached to the speaker. The dog and the poet like each other's company. The poet says that the dog is the only animal that has seen the whole man beyond his good or bad qualities. That is the concluding lines of the poem also. Then in the another stanza of the poem, the addresses that the poet addresses that one minute. In the next stanza of the poem, the poet addresses that For his love, it can sacrifice its life. For his love, it can sacrifice its life. It can love him too for the sake of love alone. For it is he who shows the way to the vast world pulsating with life. Pulsating means alive. Pulsating with life. When I see its deep devotion, when I see its deep devotion means love and loyalty. The dog is loyal with his friend, with the poet also. The offer of its whole being I fail to understand by its sheer instinct. Instinct means inborn. Then, in the second stanza of the poem, the poet speaks to the audience that the dog loves its master for the sake of pure love only. It has no other feelings other than love and loyalty. The quality of our loyalty is unique in this animal. It can sacrifice its life for a human being. The whole life of a faithful dog is offered to the master unconditionally. The dog acts purely by instinct that is an inborn quality present in it. The dog can understand the feeling and motivation of the humans automatically. The dog cannot understand humans' communication, but the poet says that the dog shown him his status. The dog has shown the master deserves ultimate loyalty. Then, in the third stanza of the poem, the poet suggests us that by its sheer instinct, what truth it has discovered in man. By its silent, anxious, piteous means very eager, arousing pity. Very eager to arouse a pity also looks. Means by its silent, anxious, piteous looks, it cannot communicate what it understands, but it has succeeded in conveying to me. Among the whole creation, what is the true status of man? Status means position, written by Rabindranath Tagore. These are the concluding lines of the poem. In the concluding section, in the concluding stanza of the poem, the poet tells us that from the ancient times, the relationship between human beings and dogs is known worldwide. Tagore was well known for his loving attitude towards nature and animals. The poet does not refer to the dog as my dog, but only this dog, which means that the dog is a stray dog and not a domestic animal regularly living in the poet's house. However, the relationship between this dog and the human being is a special one. The dog comes and quietly sits with the poet. It wants recognition from him, and in return, it will show its lover love and happiness. The poet understands this need of the animal, so he touches the dog every time they are together. This is a mutual relationship between them. While the human being gives love and recognition to the dog, in return, the dog offers its whole being. This devotion is instinctive and automatic. The dog has thus made the human being a higher animal, but it cannot communicate the feeling variably. The poet can understand it quite easily through the dog's behavior. In this way, the poem explores the relationship between human being and an animal like a dog. For the dog, the human being is either a friend or an enemy. It can easily recognize the enemy, but when it gives the status of a friend, the friend is always in the position of master. The dog devotes its entire life to the human being. In the concluding lines of the poem, the poet tells us that among the whole creation, what is the true status of man? Among the whole creation, in this way, the poet explores the relationship between human being and the animal like dog. This is the example of highest loyalty and purest love. Tagore had the ability to understand the greatest secrets of nature. He could realize what the dumb creatures were feeling. This experiences is very masterfully presented in this poem. Thanks. Thank you very much.